Hey everyone! If you're seeing the message "Not everyone can message this account on Instagram" and wondering how to fix it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you why this happens and how you can work around it. This issue usually occurs if the account you're trying to message has restricted their messaging settings. Some business or creator accounts limit messages to followers only or specific people. Unfortunately, there is no way to message them unless you fall within their allowed group. If the account has limited messaging to followers only, the quickest solution is to follow them. After they accept your follow request, try messaging them again to see if it works. Once you follow the account, you should now be able to send them a message if their settings allow followers to reach them. If people are telling you that they can't message you, you may have restricted your own account's messaging settings. To check this, go to your profile, then Settings, Messages and Story Replies, Message Control, and adjust who can message you. You can choose to allow messages from everyone, people you follow, or no one. Make sure it's set to the option that works for you. And that's how you can troubleshoot the "not everyone can message this account" issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!